Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi and this morning we're visiting with Julie Brown. She's one of our 4-H youth development agents here in Warren County. Good morning, Julie.
Good morning, Kristi.
Well, you have some really delicious and fun looking treats for us today, Julie. What are we talking about?
So since we're headed into the holiday season, and especially since we're right here at Thanksgiving, I thought, well, we'll do fun treats with kids that they can do in the kitchen as well. You know, when we as moms are getting ready, we're doing the turkey or the dressing, the ham, all the good foods, but a lot of times it may not be the healthiest foods for us. But I thought this was a good way for our kids to get in the kitchen, and then they can kind of do these ourselves. Depending on their age, you may need to help them with cutting and those kind of things, or a little bit of prep ahead of time. But it'd be fun things for them to serve, and they'll enjoy eating, these vegetables or these fruits, either one.
Now, Julie, the 4-H clubs in Warren County and across the state, they do so many great programs. I know you all have various cooking clubs and cooking programs, and it really is such a great resource for our community. If you're watching, give them a call because you all have so much fun, and this is just one example of some of the things that you do. You're teaching kids skills by getting them in the kitchen.
Yes.
You're encouraging them to try new things.
They're able to get in there, and this is things that they can carry on to college and even into, their adult lives. And a lot of times, if you will get the kid your child in the kitchen with you, they're more likely to try that fruit or that vegetable or that dish since they have had their hands in. We always tell them, even in the cooking club, I was like, we got to take a hello bite.
Yes.
So with the vegetable one here, I was trying to make it look like a turkey.
Right, and it does look like a turkey.
So we started out with cucumbers and then baby petite carrots. Those are very simple. You can already buy them pre-washed. You can just stuff those in there. Then I used red peppers and yellow peppers.
And for this tray, we had plenty of green. So
yes.
you used the orange and the red peppers to break up that color.
So, I added it in the broccoli because lots of kids love broccoli anyway. And then I added something a little bit different is the sugar snap peas. A lot of times you don't think about those, but it's something different for kids just to try.
Yes.
To make the little turkey head, I just cut off the bottom of that red pepper and to make, it kind of look fun and festive. And then I use candy eyes that you get, the baker section.
How did you put these eyes on the red pepper?
So they're being held on by the ranch dip, just to make them sticky enough so that they stick on there. Same way with the nose, it's just sticky enough to make it stick on there, just for you can show and that kind of thing. I did the same thing with the fruit. Yeah, the fruit with the pineapple, I use the vegetable dip again to make it stick on there.
So here we have a vegetable turkey, and over here we have a fruit turkey. Walk us through
a fruit turkey is the main thing I started with was the pear, and obviously the same with vegetables. You can use any types of fruits that you're interested in, those kind of things. So I started with the pear, and then I started with skewers. And this is something you can help your kids, with, or some of these vegetables I didn't have to chop. You can just rinse them off, and they can use them. And it's however you want to do. I have oranges. Mandarin oranges are not going to be the best because they're just going to kind of fall off. So these are navel oranges. And then I did mangoes. That's something you don't think a lot of.
Yeah. Or
you can do pineapples, that kind of thing. Is if you don't want to chop them, a lot of times you can get them already pre-sliced at the grocery store. And then just grapes. You can use red grapes, green grapes, whatever you want to do. And then raspberries or blackberries, depending on what you like, what your kids like. And these are a little bit tricky. I think that's what I thought I was going to do. These are a little tricky. They might fall off the skewer. And then I did some blueberries, just, to add in some more color. And then I kind of repeated after I did that, I went back with the oranges, those kind of things. And then once you kind of have them on there, then you just stick it on the side. It's 2 layers. Is what I have on there. It's going on, and then I did the candy eyes again with a mandarin orange, and then I used orange peppers as
yes, you needed some feet.
I needed some feet, so.
Well, Julie, these are so cute and such great ideas for the holiday season. Julie, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.
And I know that we have so many great resources regarding healthy recipes through our NEP program.
Yes.
That's our nutrition education program. So if anyone is watching, you need recipe information or inspiration, or maybe you just want to contact Julie and Janet and get signed up for a 4-H club, give your local extension office a call. Thanks for joining us today on the Farm and Home Show, and we'll see you next time.